Hi, I'm Business Joe, and I focus on the ins and outs of running a company smoothly. Imagine your business is suddenly forced to pause because of an unexpected event like a fire or a power outage. This is where business interruption becomes a critical issue, as it means potential income loss and operational challenges. Navigating these disruptions can be intricate, with small business owners often grappling to cover costs and maintain customer trust during such turbulent times. Keep watching, because in this video, we will discuss these important topics. What is business interruption insurance? Why is business interruption insurance important? What does loss of income mean? What are operating expenses in business interruption? How do extra expenses work? What is contingent business interruption? What is the period of restoration? What are coverage limits? And a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Business interruption insurance is a type of insurance that helps a business recover financially if its operations are temporarily halted due to a covered event such as a fire or natural disaster. It aims to cover the income the business would have made during the closure period, potentially helping the business manage its financial obligations until it can reopen, subject to the terms and conditions of the policy. This insurance is important because it provides financial support to a business during difficult times. When a business cannot operate, it still needs to pay bills and salaries. Business interruption insurance can help cover these expenses, ensuring the business can survive until it can start operating again, depending on the policy terms. Loss of income refers to the money a business would have earned if it had been operating normally. This is an essential part of business interruption insurance, as it helps replace the income lost during a period when the business is unable to function, subject to policy terms and conditions. Operating expenses are the costs that a business must continue to pay even when it is not making any money. These include rent, utility bills, and employee salaries. Business interruption insurance can cover these expenses so that the business doesn't fall behind financially, depending on the specific policy. Extra expenses are additional costs a business might incur to minimize the impact of a business interruption. For example, a business might rent temporary office space to keep operations running. These expenses may be covered by the insurance to help the business manage its operations, subject to the policy's terms and conditions. Contingent business interruption covers losses when a supplier or customer of the business experiences a disruption. For example, if a supplier's factory is damaged and can't deliver materials, this insurance can help cover losses the business suffers as a result, depending on the policy terms. The period of restoration is the time it takes for a business to get back to normal operations after a disruption. Insurance coverage is available during this period, but it's important to know that this time frame is limited and defined in the insurance policy. Coverage limits are the maximum amounts the insurance will pay for a loss. It's important to understand these limits to ensure the business has enough coverage to handle potential interruptions. Businesses should carefully assess their needs to choose appropriate limits, considering the policy's terms. The waiting period is the time that must pass after an interruption before the insurance starts paying. This period is like a deductible in time form. Businesses should be aware of this waiting time when planning for potential financial impacts, as defined in the policy. The loss of income is calculated based on the business's past financial records to estimate what the business would have earned if it hadn't been interrupted. Accurate records and documentation are crucial for filing a valid claim and ensuring proper compensation, subject to the policy's terms and conditions. I hope this deep dive into business interruption insurance has equipped you with the knowledge you need to navigate potential disruptions in your business smoothly and confidently. Understanding how to safeguard your business's financial health during unexpected events is crucial for long-term success. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.